Once again, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Pi Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Pragati, good morning. Yeah. Dear students, please name the chapter that we were discussing. Yes, it is matter in our surrounding.
Sir, clear audio.
Yes. Let me write the name of the chapter. It is the first chapter in chemistry. It is matter in our surroundings. And even I have already written the today's date. Hope you have written in your notebook as well. Yes. Dear students, you all know that in yesterday's class, we focused more on the properties of different states of matter, right? Yeah. Now, let me ask you a simple question. With respect to properties of different states of matter on mass. Dhanush HK, whether mass of solids definite or not, definite or indefinite?
Definite, sir.
It is definite. What do you say about liquid?
Sir.
Whether liquids are definite mass or not?
No, sir.
Liquids.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Liquids are definite mass.
So,
Adun weigh madbodappa. Even gases. What do you say about gases? Do they have definite mass?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes. Gases also have definite mass. Yesterday I told you, this is the similarity that we can observe in all the three states of matter. Solids have definite mass, liquids have definite mass, even gases also have definite mass. With respect to their volume, whether the solids have definite volume?
Yes, sir.
Yes, solids
Yes,
have
sir.
definite volume. What do you say about liquid?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have definite mass, volume, sir.
Gas.
No,
sir.
sir.
No,
sir.
Don't
No,
have.
sir.
Gases do not have
They don't have,
definite
sir.
volume, because when the any amount of gas is taken in any closed container, it will acquire the whole region in that container. That is why we say that gases do not have definite volume. Then which among these three states can be stored without vessel?
Solid.
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 Can be stored without vessel. Is it possible to store liquid without vessel?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Vessel is required. What do you say about the gases?
We can't
They
store,
don't
sir.
require.
Can't
Closed
store.
container.
Closed
Store with
container.
gases,
We can store with the closed
we
container.
need to go for using closed container. Gases can be stored only in closed containers. Followed?
Yes,
Which
sir.
among three can fill the container completely?
Gases.
Gases.
Gases can fill the container completely, whereas solids and liquids are not. Got it? Dear
Yes,
students,
sir.
after discussing about these properties of matter, we come across another important concept of this chapter, which is one of the form of energy and which makes us to feel warm or cold.
Heat.
Heat.
Heat. Yes. Trupti, could you define heat? How do you define heat?
Heat is a form of energy.
Wait.
Heat is a form of energy
Correct.
Which makes us feel warm and cold.
Wait.
Cold or
Trupti
warm.
is telling, let her continue.
The
Trupti,
heat is a form of energy which tells the body about the heat and cool. Warm and cool.
Okay. Yes. Then Shifa Alia, could you tell the definition of heat? Shifa Alia, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell the definition. Heat is a form of energy which makes us to feel warm or cold. Then Rakshita B. Rakshita B. Can you hear me? You are playing with a bottle, no? No. Now listen to Rakshita. You have to give answer to my question. Listen carefully. When heat is given to a body, some changes can be observed in that body. What do you call these changes, Rakshita?
Effects of heat.
Very good.
Effects of heat.
Shruti is telling they are called effects of heat.
Heat.
Abhinandan, how many effects of heat are there?
3 effects.
3 effects. Tell them one by one.
Thermal expansion.
Yes, correct.
Increase in temperature.
Very good. Increase in temperature.
Change in physical.
Change in
Physical state.
So these are the 3 important effects of heat. One is thermal expansion. Second one is increase in temperature. Third one is change of physical state of a substance. Among these, you all know that you have already learned about thermal expansion in your previous classes. But in 9th standard, we are focusing on increase in temperature as well as change of physical state of a substance.
state.
Here, even we have already defined temperature. Arushi, define
Yes, sir.
temperature. Arushi, define
Yes, sir.
temperature.
Degree of
The degree of substance, sir.
The degree of hotness or coolness of a body is called temperature.
Sarthak,
The degree of hotness or coldness of a body.
very good. The degree of hotness or coldness of a body is called temperature. Jaknur, is temperature a physical quantity? Do you say
Yeah.
that temperature is a physical quantity?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Physical quantity.
Why it is called physical quantity?
Because it can be
measured, sir.
Sir, it can be observed, sir.
It can be
Can be
measured.
measured.
Temperature can be measured,
sir. Measured.
place to another place, sir.
Others should not tell. Just listen carefully. Jaknur, if it is a physical quantity, what are the units that we can go for using to measure it?
Sir, degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit, degree Kelvin are 3
Yeah.
units
Degree
which are
Celsius,
used to measure.
Degree Fahrenheit and Kelvin.
Degree Kelvin.
These are the 3 different units that we use to measure temperature. Manya A. Among these, which is considered as a SI unit?
Kelvin.
It is Kelvin. Kelvin is the SI unit of temperature. Samarth MV. What are the 3 scales of temperature? I have already told. Jaknur has already told. I am asking you the same. What are the 3 scales of temperature? You are searching the notes. That's not fine.
Sir, degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit, degree Kelvin.
It is Celsius scale of temperature. Second one, Fahrenheit scale of temperature. Third one is Kelvin scale of
Kelvin
temperature.
scale of temperature.
Now, one more simple question. Shreya D. Could you tell the instrument that we use to measure temperature?
Thermometer.
Thermometer.
Thermometer. Then which device is used for measuring heat present in a body?
calorimeter.
Calorimeter. I think in the yesterday's class, the last concept that we had discussed was writing the differences between heat and temperature.
No, only temperature definition, sir.
Only
Yes,
temperature.
sir, only temperature definition only, sir.
Sir, we wrote till
Some of you have already written, it is fine. Okay, now I'm going to give you. give you the differences. Three scales of temperature.
Yes, sir.
Have you written the scales of temperature?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. Not
Sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
After the definition of temperature, I think I had given.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Not.
Sir, you explained it, sir.
Only definition is.
First you go for writing, then afterwards I'll move on to the next concept. Right. Scales of temperature. Scales of temperature. There are three important scales of temperature. They are, the first one is Celsius scale of temperature. Celsius scale of temperature. Second one is Fahrenheit scale of temperature. Fahrenheit scale of temperature. Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit scale of temperature.
Sir, we should write, sir.
Yes, that's what they are telling. Third one, Kelvin scale of temperature. Kelvin scale of temperature. Kelvin scale of temperature. Then, now we are going to write the differences between heat and temperature. Right? Side heading. Differences between heat and temperature. Heat and temperature. Please go for making two columns. First column is for heat and second one for temperature. Don't be lagging. Please start writing with me. When the differences are asked, without fail, you have to prepare the table. Right. In the first column, heat. Second column, temperature. Amit, have you written? Tejasvi CP? Okay, very good. Lakshmi Shri? Right. Amulya CK? Manasayan? Still you are writing. Manasayan. Amog? Amog? Okay, very good. Afrin? Afrin Malika?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you drawn? Have you drawn?
Yes, sir.
Afrin Malika?
Yes, sir.
And then if so, you tell the first difference. First difference, you just tell about the definitions of both.
It is a form of energy.
Wait.
It is a thermal energy.
Heat is
It
a
is
form
the
of
form
energy
of
which
energy
makes us
which makes
feel
us feel
heat and cold.
warm or cold. Right? Wait, first one. It is a form of energy. Form of energy which makes us to feel
warm and cold.
warm or cold. Afrin Malika, tell the definition of temperature.
The degree hotness and coldness.
Yes, it is the degree of hotness or coldness of the body.
Coldness of the body is called temperature.
Very good. Great. It is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. coldness of a body. It is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body.
Heat is
Listen,
a
with respect to effect of heat, what do you say?
Heat is exchangeable.
SI unit.
Sir, it can be measured by calorimeter.
Heat is responsible for temperature.
Temperature.
Is it not? If
Sir,
there
we
is
can
Heat is
take
the cause
heat
for
they don't have
temperature.
any temperature. Got it? If there is less amount of heat, temperature will be less. If more amount of heat is present in a body, the temperature will also be more. You can say that
Heat
is
causes temperature.
responsible for temperature.
Temperature.
Right. I'm
Sir,
using
we
the
can
third person.
take heat is
This is it. What does it indicate?
Heat.
Heat.
I know. It is responsible for. It is responsible for temperature. If so, what do you say about temperature with respect to heat?
It is the
Yeah.
effect of
Effects
heat.
of heat.
Very good. It is
Sorry, was
one of the effects of heat. Right. It is one of the effects of heat. Effects of heat. Okay.
Sir, it
You all
is
know
a
that heat is a form of energy. As it is a form of energy, it can be measured. What is the unit that we use?
Joule.
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 Heat.
Joule.
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 Joule. Very good. Listen here. Please don't copy. Just one information for you. You all know that joule is the unit of heat. That is, heat can be measured by using this unit, joule. And symbolically, it is written as capital J. Dear students, you all know that in science, we have a culture that to honor our scientists, the part of their name will be taken as the unit of some physical quantities. If joule is the unit of heat, then could you name the scientist from his name? We have taken the word joule.
Julius.
Hmm?
Jacobin.
No.
Sir,
Joule.
sir,
Want to
physics.
tell the name of the
James.
scientist from whose name
James.
we have taken the word joule.
Julius.
James
James
Prescott
Prescott
Jones.
Joule.
Very good.
James
Prescott
Prescott Joule.
Very good. Very good. Yes, James Prescott Joule. Don't copy. James Prescott Joule. It is actual name of a scientist. To honor that scientist, we have taken a part of his name as the unit. Dear students, joule is considered as a smaller unit. That is why we will go for using some of the prefixes. Do you know what are these prefixes? Joule is a small unit. Okay, we will go for using the prefixes. Kilo, mega,
Yes, sir. Before the letter is prefix.
tera. Listen, if I write kj means it is
Kilojoule.
Kilojoule.
kilojoule. Kilo means 10 raised to the power 3, 1000.
Sir, if
Next.
we add a letter before the letter, it is prefix, and after the letter, it is affix.
Before the unit, prefixes.
Yes, sir, it is
T,
prefix.
earlier.
Yes, sir. After the affix.
Next one is megajoule. Mega means 10 raised to the power 6.
4.
That is 10 lakh. 10 raised to the
10
power
power
6
6 J.
joule. Then gigajoule. GJ, gigajoule.
10 power 8
10 power
10 raised to the power 9.
9 J.
Terajoule. TJ.
10 raised to the power 12.
10 raised to the power
10 to the power 12 joule.
Dear students, please stop writing and listen to me. Just listen to me. Okay. I know that you are all very familiar with these KB, MB, GB, TB. Is it not?
ZB.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Only B is also there, sir. Byte.
Yes, sir.
megabyte.
Asking you yes or no question. If yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
because you are very familiar with the mobile. Is it not, afraid?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Yes,
that
sir.
is why as you are using mobile, you have already come across these kilobyte, megabyte,
Megabyte,
gigabyte,
gigabyte,
terabyte.
Gigabyte.
With respect to amount of space that we go for using. Okay, but these are, it is with respect to heat. Kilobyte, kilojoule. Megabyte, megajoule. Gigabyte, gigajoule. Terabyte, terajoule. Got it? Just for your reference only I have written. And one more information. Dear students, just I make you to recall one point which I learned in your previous class with respect to heat only. It's very clear. Look at the board. What is this?
Calorie.
Calorie.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Do you know about this word? Calorie? Have you heard?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we have heard. Don't know.
In our body, calories are there, sir.
Huh?
In body, calories.
Calories.
Calories are there, sir.
Calories. Calories.
Enough, enough.
Food what we have eaten. How
Correct,
much?
correct. In terms with respect to food, you have heard about this word calorie, right? Even
Yes, sir.
you have also come to know the word calorie in the concept called heat, which you have already discussed in your previous class.
Yes, sir.
Calorie is also one of the unit that we use to measure heat.
One
Do you know
calorie is equal
what
to
is 1 calorie?
4.18400
Very
joule.
good, very good. Sarthak is telling 1 calorie is equal to Sarthak 4.182 joules. These many joules is equal to 1 calorie. ನೀವೇನು ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Then how do you define 1 calorie? ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು previous class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ.
4 joule.
Observe it. Wait. Again, look here. A beaker is taken. In that we have taken some amount of water, and this is at a temperature of 21 degrees Celsius. I have to increase this temperature. What should I do? Chandra?
Supply heat.
We have to add 1
We
calorie.
have to add heat. We have to give heat.
We have to provide heat. Heat could be temperature.
Yes, sir.
Asking that now the temperature has been increased from 21 degrees Celsius to 22 degrees Celsius. How much temperature has been increased?
1 degree.
1 degree.
1 degree Celsius.
1 degree.
To increase the temperature by 1 degree, whatever the amount of heat we are given, no? We call that heat as 1 calorie. Let me define that. Listen carefully. The amount of heat required to increase the temperature of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. 1 degree Celsius temperature increase ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು heat na use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, we call that amount of heat as 1 calorie. the amount of heat required to increase the temperature of a substance by 1 degree Celsius is called
1 calorie.
1 calorie. That 1 calorie is equal to 4.18
182 joule.
joule. 1 degree Celsius increase ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you must provide this much amount of heat, 4.182 joules. ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ additional information. In spite it is additional information, I'll give you that. Now coming to these differences. Now two differences are over, and the third difference is heat can be measured by using the SI unit called joule. Right? Its SI unit is joule. In bracket you may write J. What is the SI unit of temperature?
Kelvin.
Do you know the scientist name?
Ernest Kelvin, sir.
Its SI unit is Kelvin. In bracket write capital K. Just one small assignment for you all.
William Thomson.
Listen, we know that we have 3 scales of temperature: Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. And these are the scales that are taken from the names of 3 scientists. So tomorrow you should tell the scientist name. Got it?
William Thomas
Amrita.
Kelvin.
Andrew Celsius, sir. Celsius.
Jacknor, wait.
Baron.
William
I
Thomas
told you,
Kelvin.
it is a small
Baron
assignment.
Kelvin. William Thomas.
ನೀವೇ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಈಗ ಹಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ it is not considered as an assignment. For others it will be easy. I appreciate for your knowledge, but let others do that work. Collect ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು. Fahim. Okay, next. We know that heat can be measured by using the device called
Calorimeter.
Thermometer.
Temperature is measured.
Thermometer.
Right. It is measured by calorimeter or calorimeter. Next, temperature. It is measured by thermometer. These are the 4 important differences between heat and temperature. Even these can also be differentiated in terms of kinetic energy. Aden beda. 4 points ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. Got it?
Yes,
Jackno.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you want one more point?
Yes, sir.
If you know the difference between these two in terms of kinetic energy, you can tell.
It is a cause and it is an effect.
The sum of kinetic energy of all the molecules or all the particles present in a body. Whereas temperature, it is the average kinetic energy of all the particles present in a body. That's a difference one in terms of kinetic energy. Okay. Now, after writing these differences, now you write in note number. First one. Right. Joule. Joule is the word taken from the name of the scientist. I've been dictating now. Write it correctly. Joule is the word has been taken from the name of the scientist. Who is it?
James Prescott Joule.
James Prescott Joule.
James Prescott, Prescott, Prescott Joule. The word Joule has been derived from the name of the scientist James Prescott Joule. Manoj Kumar, Fahim, Harsh Jai, Babel,
Sir, James
Madaneshwari,
Prescott after.
Sinchana, you all must turn on the video. Even Egna, Kushal,
Sir,
Sumit.
excuse me. Sir,
the
excuse
video.
me.
Okay.
Sir, excuse me.
Listen. Next point. Second point, you write these prefixes. Kilojoule, 10 raised to the power 3 joule. Megajoule, MJ. Manya Chechai. Here,
Yes,
what
sir.
does J indicates?
What, sir?
Kilo.
Manya J Jai.
Yes,
That's
sir.
your name, no?
Yes.
In that, the letter J is there.
Yes.
What does that J indicates with respect to heat?
Joule.
Joule.
Joule. What is joule?
It's the SI unit of heat.
SI unit of heat. Just remember that also. Okay. Next, GJ as well as TJ. Ora.
Sir, you
Next,
should write the task.
Yes, sir.
after this, next point. 1 calorie is equal to, right, 4.182 joules. 4.182 joules. Precious.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Could you tell the definition of calorie? 1 calorie. Anybody would like to tell the definition of 1
Yes, sir.
calorie? First, tell your
Sir,
name.
can I?
Sir,
Sir,
heat
Gaurav.
and convert.
Gaurav.
Gaurav.
Sir, it is an energy unit equal to approximate amount of energy of heat.
Sir, I will tell, sir.
Right. Pragat.
I will tell, sir.
Amount of heat required to increase the 1 degree
Temperature of.
temperature is called
Yes.
calorie.
The amount of heat required to increase the temperature of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. This is known as 1 calorie. So please do remember that definition. Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we are moving to the next part of this chapter. In this part, we will go for knowing the relationship among different scales of temperature. Because as you all know that temperature can be measured by using the units degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit, and Kelvin.
And Kelvin.
So now,
Sir,
as they are the units that we use to measure the temperature, there is a relationship among these. Can you tell the side heading that you have to write?
sir, heat difference
Difference
between it is a
between
thermal
scales of
energy.
Differences
temperature.
between scale of heat.
Between scale of.
No.
Difference between scales of temperature.
No.
Sir, we can write
The
heat
scales of
difference
temperature.
like it is a thermal energy.
Relationship between the scales of temperature.
Very good. Relationship among different scales of temperature. Right. Side heading. Relationship among different scales of temperature. Different scales of temperature. In bracket, you may write degree Celsius, good comma, degree Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Okay.
So why doesn't Kelvin have degree symbol?
That we have actually not mentioned. This is the information given in science. So we are following the same. Actually, even we can also use degree Kelvin. Is it not? But adu kottilla. Okay, how they are given? Let's go for taking the same. I told you the reason not given. Maybe there also definitely. I'll collect it and tell you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now please stop writing. Please stop writing. Dear students, there is a relationship between Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. There is a relationship between Celsius scale and Kelvin scale. Relationship is also there between Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale. But in textbook, they have introduced only two relations. One is the relationship between Celsius and Kelvin and Celsius and Fahrenheit. So let us focus on these two. Observe it. Okay. Suppose you know the temperature in degrees Celsius. One best example is you are very familiar with boiling point of water. Is it not? The temperature at which water starts boiling. Anybody?
100 degrees Celsius.
100 degrees Celsius.
100 degrees Celsius.
100 degrees Celsius.
100 degrees Celsius. This is the
220 degrees
water
Fahrenheit.
in terms of Celsius. But if the same temperature is expressed in Kelvin, it is
220.
373.
373 Kelvin.
373.
Kelvin. Using this, can we find the relationship between Celsius and Kelvin?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All right. Okay. Actually, I cannot derivation in the textbook. So I am giving you directly. It is Kelvin is equal to Celsius plus
273.
273.
Sir, lag
You can use this for converting Celsius into Kelvin. Kelvin scale and you can write like this. K equal to C plus 273. If Celsius scale is, temperature in Celsius scale is 0 degree, what is the same temperature in Kelvin?
270.
273.
0 plus 270.
Yes, sir.
I'll give all the points, nothing to worry. Next, suppose temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. In Kelvin,
373.
173.
Kelvin, sorry, 373 Kelvin. Very simple. Our temperature Celsius na kotre, adike 273 add madidre aaytu. It is get converted into Kelvin.
Kelvin.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
One simple question. Anybody want to tell? Mohita Viji, Mohita Viji. What is the body temperature of a healthy person?
37.
Mohita
34 to
Viji,
37.
actually, girls' voice should come now.
37.
It is
37 degrees Celsius.
42.
degrees Celsius or Kelvin or Fahrenheit.
Degree Celsius.
Degree Celsius.
98
34 degrees
Fahrenheit.
Celsius to 37
98
degrees Celsius.
Fahrenheit, sir.
90 degrees Fahrenheit.
98.6
Fahrenheit.
that is in case of Fahrenheit. See, if we have fever, obviously we'll go to the doctor. Doctor will check our temperature. They'll tell that your temperature is 99 degree. Will they tell whether it is Fahrenheit, Kelvin or Celsius?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Hangandre,
Sir.
could you tell in which unit they will tell the
Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit.
ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ person will be no more.
Nice.
Temperature iradukagalla. Got it? It is that whatever the temperature they'll tell, it is in
Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit scale ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
In degree
Fahrenheit
Fahrenheit.
scale. Remember. So,
Sir,
okay.
the
K equal to C plus 270. When you know temperature in Celsius, you can convert that into Kelvin. Suppose we know temperature in Kelvin. Kelvin al gottide namaga. It should be converted into degree Celsius.
Minus
Minus
273. Minus 273.
Minus 273.
Kelvin scale al kottidre, just subtract 273 in that. It will be
Yes, sir.
so K minus 273. K degree Celsius equal to K minus 270 or K equal to degree Celsius plus 270. Both are one and the same. Anyone can be remembered. Clear? This is the relationship between Kelvin scale and Celsius scale, or Celsius scale and Kelvin scale. Don't try it. Next, another one. I'll go for giving you the relationship between Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. Degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. It is degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 degree Celsius plus 32. This is the relationship. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ derivation ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ according to that derivation we'll get it. Don't try it, Akash me. ನಾನು ಬರೆಸ್ತೀನಪ್ಪ, nothing to worry. I'll give you all the information. You can also remember like this. The degree Fahrenheit is equal to which class you are?
9.
9th standard, right? Assume that C is the section. Degree Fahrenheit equal to 9th C by 5 plus 32. Five
Five
sections are there.
5 subjects.
5 subjects.
9th C is one section. Once I tell. Degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9th C by 5 plus 32. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ 9C ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. It is 9/5 C plus 30. Wait. One simple question.
9/5 degree
To some
Celsius, sir.
students. Wait. Don't tell. This question is for Sanjana SL, Ranjana Pisane, Afrin Sheikh, Suhas P, Lekha KV, and Sanjita HS. Only for these 6 students. Others should not go for giving any response. Dear students, in this relationship, we have written Fahrenheit in terms of Celsius. Could you tell how to write Celsius in terms of Fahrenheit? Only these 6 students should tell. Just idರಲ್ಲಿ C na solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು.
Sir Ranjan.
Don't wait. Ranjan.
Sir, 9/5 degree Fahrenheit to minus 32 degree.
No.
Let me
Next, any other student among these 6? Dheeraj, could you tell? Solve ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, degree Celsius na solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು.
5/9 degree Fahrenheit plus 32.
Rachit?
Yes, sir.
Minus 32.
Sir, minus 9/5 minus 32.
Shifa?
33.8.
5/9 Fahrenheit.
5 minus
Sir, 5/9 Fahrenheit plus minus 32.
I think Gaurav.
Yes, sir.
Gaurav, tell that. Correct.
5/9 degree Fahrenheit plus minus 32.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Observe.
Sir, 5
9/5 degree Fahrenheit minus 98.
Observe.
5/9 into plus minus 32.
degree Celsius plus 32. We want degree Celsius, alwa? So I'm just shifting 9 by 5 degree Celsius plus 32 is equal to degree Fahrenheit. We want C only. I'll write that as it is. 9 by 5
F minus 32 into 5 by 9.
degree Celsius equal to F transfer 32 minus 30. We want only C degree Celsius equal to cross multiply 5 by 9 of degree Fahrenheit minus 30. Then what is missed here?
Multiplication.
Yes. 5 by 9 into degree Fahrenheit minus 30. You bracket after degree, it will be wrong. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Manya, understood? Manya A. Yes. Okay. So these are the two important statements which give the relationship between degree Celsius and Fahrenheit. Then you all may be thinking that if Kelvin and degree Fahrenheit is given, that relationship has not been given in your textbook. But if temperature is given in Kelvin, you can convert this into Fahrenheit first by converting Kelvin into degree Celsius. Then degree Celsius into Fahrenheit. This is Kelvin quadrant. First you have to convert that into Celsius. Then convert this into Fahrenheit. Okay. Now
There is no specific.
you have to go for calculation 2 times while converting Kelvin into Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit into Kelvin. Dear students, now you are going to write the sign in that write. First, it is, please write with me, relationship between K, that is Kelvin, and degree Celsius. Yes. Copy it. K equal to degree Celsius plus 273 or degree Celsius equal to K plus 270. So K minus 270. If it is over, write the second one. It is relationship between degree Fahrenheit and degree Celsius. Copy this.
Sir, we should write the examples also.
Don't write any example. I am here to give you. Over? Over or not?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Over. Tejasvi, over. Very good. Rajwal SM. Yatin Yashwant. Vibha. Is it over? Shreya D. Over. Good. Trupti. Over.
Sir, side please, sir.
Now we are moving to some of the numerical problems of D.
Sir, relationship between degree Fahrenheit and Kelvin, sir.
I told now when Kelvin is given, it should be converted into Celsius, then convert that into Fahrenheit. Right. Siddesh BA. Right now. Siddesh. numerical problems. In that, first one, convert the following temperatures. Following temperature into Kelvin scale. Convert the following temperatures into Kelvin scale. In that, I take very simple and which we are very familiar. Amulya CK, shall I give?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good girl. First one. Amulya CK, you only tell what is the boiling point of water?
100 degrees.
100 degrees Celsius.
100 degrees Celsius. Let us convert this Celsius scale into Kelvin scale.
373.
373.
Very good.
373.
Amulya CK, you only
Sir.
tell which statement should be used.
Degree
formula?
Celsius is equal to K minus 3.
Degree Celsius is equals to Kelvin minus 270.
No.
K is equal
K is equals
K is
to
equals to degree Celsius plus 273.
Equal to degree Celsius plus
K equal to C plus 270, where degree Celsius is 100 plus 273 as it is. It will be 373. 373. K equal to this much. So conclusion. Therefore, 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 373 Kelvin. Another simple question. Siddesh BA. Siddesh BA. Wait. Siddesh BA. Can you hear me? You're not at all responding. Siddesh.
Sir, my network is slow, sir.
Your network is slow. It's okay. Let it be.
Yes, sir.
Then let me ask question 2. Renuka MY. Renuka. Hope
Yes,
that
sir.
you are healthy.
Sir?
Hope that you are healthy. Sure, right?
Yes, sir.
What may be your body temperature?
37 degrees Celsius.
Yes, very good. It is 37 degrees Celsius, right? It is the body temperature of a healthy person is 37 degrees Celsius. So
Sir,
now we can convert it into
36.4 no sir.
SS.
Sir, 300.
Healthy person is 36.4.
Sir, 300.
Sir, 300
Sir, 300.
310.
and Kelvin is equal to 310.
To the same formula.
300.
K
Sir.
equal to C plus 270. In place of degree Celsius, write 37 plus 270. It is equal to 300. Conclusion: 37 degrees Celsius is equal to 310 Kelvin. Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody want to tell the body temperature of camel?
Camel, sir.
Camel. It is more, no, sir, because it will be in desert.
Yes, it is more. That is one of the hint.
Don't.
60 Yes, yes.
About 40. Above 40.
50 degrees Celsius.
Sir, approximately
50
48.
degrees.
So
Degrees
60,
Celsius. Oh,
48.
Sir, 40 approximately.
Sir, approximately 40 to 43.
42, sir. 42.
Normal temperature will be 39 degrees.
43.
Sir, 34 to 40 degree.
Right.
34.
39,
34 to 40.
41.
39 degrees Celsius. Afrin. Afrin. Afrin, can you hear me?
312 Kelvin.
Right. It is K is equal to C plus 273. Then 39 plus 273.
312.
312 Kelvin.
12 Kelvin.
Write the conclusion. 39 degrees Celsius is equal to 312. Next. Dear students, one more simple question. Look here. Shall I tell?
Sir,
There is
Yes,
one
sir.
device which converts electrical energy into heat energy, then light energy.
Repeat it, sir.
A device which converts electrical energy into heat energy, then light energy.
Sir, mobile talk.
Sir,
Sir,
bulb, sir,
filament
bulb,
bulb. Sir, filament
bulb,
bulb. Sir,
bulb.
filament bulb.
Bulb.
Filament bulb.
Bulb.
Wait.
Inside the filament thread will be there. Sir.
What is this?
filament bulb.
Bulb.
An electric
Filament.
filament bulb. Did not. This is the device which converts electrical energy into heat energy, then light energy. Could you name the filament that is used in an electric bulb?
Tungsten.
Tungsten.
Listen, Ritika. What is the reason or which properties are responsible for using tungsten as a filament in the electric
Sir,
bulb?
it has more capacity to hold heat.
It has more capacity to heat, sir. It can more.
Enough.
Sir, high resistivity.
Very good, very good. Resistivity, that
It
concept
can hold
will
more
come
heat, sir.
in 10th standard.
It can hold more heat and temperature.
It can hold heat, more amount of heat means its melting point is very high. Its melting point is high.
Yes, sir.
Do you know what is that melting point?
200 degrees.
670.
670 degrees Celsius.
380 degrees Celsius.
How much, sir?
3,380 degrees Celsius.
3,380.
Now, dear students, when electricity is passed into it, into the electric bulb, large amount of heat is produced. In spite of that, bulb does not broken or bulb does not burst. Do you know the reason for that? To give a long life to the bulb,
Because the glass melting point is also high.
Inside the bulb, there will be some kind of gas. Sir.
There will be some gas.
Argon, sir. Argon gas.
Argon gas.
argon, helium, or we will go for using nitrogen also. They are all chemically inactive. So such gases will be used. Now I'm going to give you the temperature. It is 3,880 degrees Celsius. Right. 3,880 degrees Celsius.
3,600.
Care. Tell the answer.
Yes, sir.
Yenamma. Just go for adding.
4153.
4153 Kelvin.
4153
degrees Celsius.
4153
You are correct only.
Kelvin.
K equal to degree Celsius plus 273 and temperature is 3880 plus 273. Just go for adding. It is 3. 8 plus 7, 15. Carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Carry 1.
Sir, not
Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
4153.
Yes, sir.
Right. Therefore, 3880 degrees Celsius equal to 4153 Kelvin. Over.
Sir.
That only. I'll give you another temperature. Right. Fifth one. Fifth one. Shall I give?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. It is 32 degree Fahrenheit.
Should convert into Kelvin, sir.
It should be converted into Kelvin.
Well, first
273,
you
sir.
should make it Celsius, then
273, sir. 273.
I'll tell you that. Isn't it? Here, temperature is given in Fahrenheit, but it should be converted into Kelvin. But we do not know the relationship between
First, we should convert it into degree Celsius.
Sir, degree Celsius is
Therefore,
0.
first, it should be converted into
Degree
Degree
Celsius.
Celsius.
Celsius. So, which formula can be used?
C plus
5/9.
273.
5 by 9 into Fahrenheit
C
minus
degree Celsius is 5 by 9.
Into
Fahrenheit.
Degree Fahrenheit minus 32.
Degree Fahrenheit.
use
Sir, Celsius is 0.
Wait. It is very good, very good. I think Akshay.
Yes, sir.
273 Kelvin, sir.
Very good. Jagnur, correct. Degree Fahrenheit is 32. Here minus 32. 32 minus 32, 0. 0 by 5 by 9, 0.
0.
So,
0 plus
therefore,
273.
32 degree Fahrenheit is equal to degree Celsius. But we want Fahrenheit into Kelvin. So, as we know the temperature in Celsius, let us convert this into Kelvin. How?
273.
Very good.
0 plus
Degree
273.
Celsius plus 270. Celsius scale is 0 plus 270. Then this is equal to 273 Kelvin. 0 degree Celsius is equal to 273 Kelvin I told. Where 0 degree Celsius is nothing but 32 degree
Fahrenheit.
is equal to 273 Kelvin. Did you understand?
Sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Before going to give you the next one, now I'm going to change the setting. Right. Convert the following temperatures into Fahrenheit scale. Convert the following temperatures into Fahrenheit scales.
Written, sir.
Shall I give?
Sir.
Dhanush HK, have you copied? Okay, now you're right. First one, very simple one. I'm giving you very simple number. It is 100 degrees Celsius. Again, I have taken the boiling point of water. And please try to convert this into Fahrenheit. Try yourself.
212 degree Fahrenheit, sir.
200, sir.
Very good.
212, sir.
Dhanush HK, tell the formula to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit only Dhanush will tell.
F is equal to
Degree Fahrenheit equal to
9 by
9
5
by 5 degrees Celsius.
into 32. 32.
It is 9 by 5 Celsius. It is 100 plus 32. Now cancel it. 1s are 20s are 29s are 180 plus 30. 180 plus 32, 212. Therefore, 100 degrees Celsius equal to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Amrita, have you written? Okay. Dear students, just listen. Okay. The problems like this, for them, mind calculation is enough. Temperature is given in Celsius, 100 anta ide. Al 9 by 5 anta ide. 5 1s are 5, 20s are 29 are 180. 180 plus 32.
212.
212. Let me see how many of you can tell it quick as possible. I'll give you 10 seconds only to tell the answer. You should not go for calculation. Chakno. Calculation. I'm giving you the temperature in Celsius. It should be converted into Fahrenheit. Simple number will be given. I want quick answer from you all.
Okay, sir.
It is 10 degrees Celsius.
Sir, 50.
50.
Very good, very good.
50, sir, 50,
Degree
50.
50.
5 plus 30.
50, it is correct.
32 plus 18.
Dhanush,
5 1s are 5 2s are 9 2s are
should
18.
not go for calculation. Mind calculation is enough. Ashtu simple agide. 10 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ here 10 by
10.
2 9
plus 32.
9 by 80.
18 plus 32 is 50.
Clear?
Yes,
Simple
sir.
number. Shall I give?
5, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we won't do this.
Okay. Now the temperature is
77 degree Fahrenheit.
77.
77.
53.
excellent. 25 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ 5 5s are. Then next is 45. 45 plus 32.
77.
40.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wait. I'll select some students. Niharika, Amrita,
Sir,
Aditya Praveen Anvekar, Vibha A. Rathod, Shamita T. Ekbote. These 5 students, including Prajwal S. These 6 students. I'll give you a temperature in Celsius. You should tell quick as possible, but others should not involve. You can just go for calculation. Others. These students should give the response quick as possible. Simple one it is.
90. 90 plus 32 112. 112.
12 degree Fahrenheit.
sir,
222.
120. Sir, 122.
122, sir.
Yes.
Very good. 122 is correct. 50 has been given. 5 tens are 10 nines are 90.
90 plus 32. 122.
122. Got it? Yes. Actually, in competitive exams and all, you need to answer every question just for within 20 or 25 seconds. So if you practice the fast calculation or speed mathematics, then it will help you in the future. Okay, now I'll give you the temperature. Right. Second one, it is important one. In an exam, 37 degrees Celsius. Already we are very familiar.
98.6.
98.6 degree Fahrenheit.
That's the correct answer. After solving, you should get the same. Try. It is degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 degree Celsius plus 30. It is equal to 9/5 degree Celsius is 37 plus 30. It is 9/5, or you may cancel it by 5. 9 into cancel it 5.
7.4.
5 sevens are
7.
35. 2 will remain. It becomes 20 by taking the decimal.
2. 4.
5 4 plus 30 is equal.
66.6.
Yes, very good. Here 9 4s are 36. 3. 9 sevens are 63 plus
3.
3.
66.6.
66.6 plus 30.
98.6.
Very good. It is 98.6. So let us write the conclusion here. 37 degrees Celsius is equal to 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Over. Shamita. Okay. Abhinandan, Prajwal SM, Renka. Okay. Bhumikayan, Ritika, Amog, Chetan. Yes, very good. Gagandeep,
Yes, sir.
Chandana, you, what are you doing? Good girl. Very good, very good. Arushi, over. Sai Gaurav.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tanush. One simple question for everybody, but just think it. We are discussing about the relationship between Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale, right? Assume that in one of the situation or one of the temperature, both the scales are same. Means Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale, both are equal. Then do you know how to find out that temperature? I'm asking you yes or no question.
No, sir.
Did you all understand my question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. In general, it cannot be
Yes,
applied.
Sir.
I'll ask you once. Imagine the situation that there is one temperature. At that temperature, Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale, both are equal. Then what is that temperature? I'm asking you, is it possible to find?
Zero.
Only, sir.
Minus 40.
Because 100
sir.
degrees Celsius is equal to
Zero,
220
sir.
degrees Fahrenheit.
Minus 40.
You are telling 0, but you are telling that 0 degree Celsius equal to 0 degree Fahrenheit. This is your response.
No, sir.
Sir, minus 40.
Minus 40, sir. Minus 40.
Very good. Very good point.
Minus 40.
Minus 40. ಆ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. -40 is the temperature at which Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale equal, both are equal. It was given in the examination for 1 mark. Even it was also given for 2 marks. 2 marks under, then we will expect the calculation. For 1 mark, we expect the direct answer. Got it?
Yes,
Now
sir.
you take this as the third question. Take this as third question. Yeah, right. Third one. What is the temperature? What is the temperature at which Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale are equal? Question. How much marks it is?
2 or 1 mark.
2 or 1 mark.
ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 1 mark. If they ask you to find or else calculate. If the calculation is expected, then it is to be given for 2 marks. Anyhow, I'll go for giving you the steps for 2 marks. Manya J. Jain, are you fine? Is it comfortable? Okay. Right. Here, they only have given both the scales are same. I go for taking the given information, that is degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Both are equal. And if this is equal to X, I'll assume both the temperature as X because both are equal. Next. Yes, how do you go for calculation?
Sir, relationship
Degree
between
Celsius
G
formula
and
is equals to
F
degree
is there,
Fahrenheit
sir.
formula.
Yes,
That formula
that's
we
the
have to
one.
substitute X.
Right. Degree Fahrenheit equal to 9/5 degree Celsius plus 30. This is a formula that we know which gives the relationship between degree Fahrenheit and degree Celsius. We'll substitute X in place of C and F. X equal to 9/5 into X plus 30. Then further,
Transfer X to the LHS.
Transfer the X.
9x.
Sir, take X in one side, sir. Both X terms.
Multiply x and 9.
by taking LCM, or else write X term one side. X is there. I'll write
Minus 9/5.
X by X. 9/5 to the left hand side. It becomes minus 9/5, which is equal to 30. Now take LCM and simplify. LCM is 5.
LCM is 5.
Then cross multiply. 5x minus
5x minus 9x
equal to 30.
minus 4x
4x by 5.
Very good. Minus
minus
4x
4x by
equal to
32.
Answer 5 to
multiply 32 and 5.
60.
160.
160.
160.
No. Direct cancel ಮಾಡಿ.
Sir, 4 ones are 4 X are.
Minus 40, sir.
8 5 is 40. X equal to
Minus 40.
40. Minus 40.
minus minus
Got it?
get cancel.
No.
The x also
Here, I'll write conclusion. Therefore, minus 40 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. So these two scales are equal at minus 40. Followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For the examination point of view, these are very important. Definitely, one will be asked either for 1 mark or 2 mark. From this
Double
concept,
star mark, sir.
you may expect 1 mark or 2 marks. So please do practice them. Okay?
Star,
Huh?
stars.
Yeah, you have to put star. Okay. You will follow me, no? You can put 3 star. Dear students, now I'm going to conclude the class. Before that, just an information. Tomorrow you'll be having online performance test 8 on the chapter matter in our surroundings up to here.
Sir, tomorrow's class.
Okay. Yes,
Tomorrow's class portion will not there for Thursday, sir.
will be there. Just I take little bit only. Tomorrow only I'll inform them.
Sir, key
Okay.
answers.
Okay, sir.
Will be
20 or 20?
Not, sir.
Recorded
will be
class.
sent.
Sir, biological class.
Sir, tomorrow test.
Sir, recorded
I've
classes.
given you the information regarding tomorrow's test. And second information, key answer will be sent soon, as I was busy in academic work. So I'm writing only. As soon after over, it is to be sent. Recorded classes, don't ask. If a student is absent, then only that recorded class will be given. Okay. And another doubt,
Sir,
biology
I was
class.
absent 2 days,
Biology
sir.
class will be taken by our teacher after few days. They are also busy in some other work. So they'll come after a week. Then
Sir, I was absent 2 days,
afterwards
sir.
they'll go for taking the class. Okay. With this, let us stop the class. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.